that is taller than Sumo. And he's not even at the bottom.
What is he doing?
He's digging.
Sumo!
Sumo, come.
You can do it, buddy. Come on. I think he loves it.
I think so too. He's like swimming.
Yeah.
That is a very deep pile of snow. What do you think, like 2 feet?
It's gotta be more than 2 feet. Look, our whole deck is covered up from, like, it covered my whole shoe, my whole boot. How much is that?
It's about 2 feet.
Okay, so it's 2 feet. I am short, I guess. Sumo! Sumo!
It's amazing.
Sumo?
I found a leaf.
Hey, what are you eating?
Leaf.
Sumo, come. Sumo?
Puppy. It's making trails. Coming in, little buddy? Oh, this is good. Come on.